onlookers, they stood amazed, shouting with concern, in the name of all the saints, where you think you're going? Marchers turned and whispered in a treble clef, we just need some quiet air so we won't go deaf. Up in front was Mr. P, wearing his Purple Heart, with a woman, her name was Bill, she pushing her grocery cart. I asked if I could walk along with them a while. They said, well, freedom means make up your mind. Pulled along by faith, tomorrow we'll wake up the hill in Rougemont, up the hill in Rougemont. Just might find that love awaits. You just might find that love awaits. They crossed a bridge on angel wings, but I trembled on the edge till I heard them sing. There's a simple truth that we found. If you're afraid of heights, well, brother, don't look down. Pulled along by faith, tomorrow we'll wake up the hill in Rougemont, up the hill in Rougemont. Just might find that love awaits. We just might find that love awaits up the hill in Rougemont.
Good one.
Thank you, guys.